Candid, New Trends in Computers. Book 2.
Operating a computer. Children, in this chapter, you will learn how to start and operate a computer. Let's begin to start a computer. To start a computer, follow these steps. 1. Switch on the main power supply button. 2. Switch on the UPS button. Your computer gets the main power through UPS. A UPS provides power supply even if the main power goes off. 3. Switch on the power supply button of the CPU. 4. Switch on the monitor by pressing its power button and wait for some time. You will find the welcome screen or desktop on your monitor. This means that your computer is now ready to take your instructions. 5. There are some additional parts attached with the computer. You also need to power them on.
What do you mean by additional parts, Mom?
For example, your computer may have speakers attached with it. It may have modem for internet. It may have a printer attached to it. You have to switch them on for taking work from them.
All right, Mom, got it. When we switch on the computer, then what happens? How does it work?
After switching on the computer, it is ready to follow your instructions and do work. You need to enter letters, numbers, and other instructions to make it work. These items are called data. When you start your computer, you reach at a screen after few seconds.